Good morning, teacher.
How are you doing?
I'm okay.
You very okay. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? Okay, how are you doing? Okay, how are you doing? Okay, let's start our English lesson. Today's lesson is really unusual. Okay, we play a game meeting. Meeting. What is it? It is called, yeah. It is called. We will work at air. Okay? This is called. You must find a friend for the word 9, 12, 3, and 6. Okay? Did you understand me? Yes. Okay. I take watches. Right down. Little down. Okay, you must find a friend. Okay, let's start. Did you understand me? Okay, let's start. Let's start, please. 9, 12, 3, 6. Meeting at 9. Meeting at 12. Meeting at 3 o'clock. Meeting at 6 o'clock. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. At 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Who is free? Come on. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start our English lesson. We will continue theme of the planets. Okay, class number one. This is planets. You must write the name of the planets and make a translation. Okay, did you understand me?
Yes.
At 9 o'clock. Meeting 1, 9 o'clock. Write the name of planets and make a translation. India and English. Okay, Sean and I am next, Ilya. Alya and Vice President. I did not answer that. Next, Ilya and Zuma. Okay, right? Who can read? Read. Yeah, read. Okay, right. Next, who can read? Read. Venus, Mars, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, right. Put him on, please. Uranus, Neptune. Okay, right. Now you must check your answers. Okay, details. Okay, check your answers. Details. Check your answers. How many mistakes? Count, please. How many mistakes? Okay, quick. Mistake. How many mistakes? One mistake. Okay, Alexander, how many mistakes? No mistakes. Okay, I take the two lights. Okay, can you go mistake?
to the entire Milky Way galaxy. The solar system began to be about 4.5 billion years ago when clouds entered the gas and dust collapsed, resulting in a stellar nebula, a swirling disk material that collides to form the solar system. The solar system is located in the Milky Way's Orion star cluster. Only 15% of stars in the galaxy host planetary systems, and most stars to our own sun. Revolving around the sun are 8 planets. The planets are divided into 2 categories based on composition: terrestrial and geochemical. Terrestrial planets, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are primarily made of rock material. Their surfaces are solid. They don't have systems. They have very few or no moons, and they are relatively small. The smallest and closest to the sun is Mercury, which has the shortest orbit in the solar system at about 3 Earth months. Venus is the hottest planet, with temperatures of up to 867 degrees Fahrenheit due to an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and extensive lava flows. Next to the world of fire is the world of water, Earth. The largest and hottest planet helped create the only known environment in the universe capable of sustaining life. The last of the terrestrial planets, Mars, might have also supported life about 3.7 billion years ago when the planet had a watery surface and an atmosphere. Beyond the 4 terrestrial planets of the inner solar system lie the Jovian planets of the outer solar system. The Jovian planets include gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, and ice giants Uranus and Neptune. The gas giants are predominantly made of helium and hydrogen, and ice giants also contain rock, ice, and a liquid mixture of water, methane, and ammonia. All 4 Jovian planets have multiple moons, storm ring systems, have no solid surface, and are next. The largest Jovian is also the largest planet in the solar system, Jupiter. Nearby is Saturn, the solar system's second largest planet. Its signature rings are wide enough to fit between Earth and the moon, but are barely a kilometer thick. Past Saturn are the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. The slightly bigger of these ice giants, Uranus, is famous for rotating on its side. Next to Uranus is Neptune, the outermost planet in the solar system and also one of the coolest. Orbiting the terrestrial planets is the asteroid belt, a flat disk of rock objects full of remnants from the solar system's formation, from microscopic dust particles to the largest known object, the dwarf planet Sirius. Another distance history lies much further out and orbits the Jovian planets, the icy Kuiper belt. Apart from asteroids, the Kuiper belt is also home to dwarf planets such as Pluto, and is the birthplace of many comets. Beyond the Kuiper belt is the Oort cloud, a vast spherical collection of icy debris. It is considered the edge of the solar system, since that is where gravitational and physical influence of the sun end. Our solar system's particular configuration of planets and other celestial objects, all revolving around a living star, make it a special place to call home.
Okay, you must know, you must find two facts about planets. Okay, Neptune, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Venus, Mercury. Okay, if you have to okay, do you understand me? Two facts about planets. Two facts. Are you ready? Are you ready? Mercury is very small planet. Okay, right? One touch next. Okay, rings around it. Yes, Saturn has got rings around it. Okay, second fact. Next. Who can tell me this? I have this. Largest planet. Saturn is the largest planet. Okay, here is this. Mars is hot. Okay, Mars is hot and red planet. Yes, red planet. Okay, right next. Okay, this is the end of Mars. Okay, right. So this which one? Okay, Mars coldest to the sun. Okay, right next. Ayana and I have this. Neptune. Oh, right. Okay, now you have this. Yeah. Okay, Mars is beautiful cold red planet. Okay, we have. Sun is hot planet. Yes, sun is hot planet. Okay, I get this. People call Mars a red planet. Okay, right. Okay, next. Next, I think. Right. Right. Let's start with ice surface. Okay, right. You are right. Okay, next. Next time is single. Oh, next time. Find your friend. Okay, open your pupils book page 106. 106. Then open your computer and write the date. What date is it? 11? Oh, okay, right now. Right. The 11th of April plus work. Exercise 18. Exercise 18. Come on, right now. Exercise 18. Who can read the first sentence? Read and complete. Who can read first sentence? Who can read the sentence? You have it. Mention. The sun killed. Cold. Yes, possible practical question. Possible. Okay, right. Write down. Down. The answer reads cold. The sun killed. Cold. The possible. Okay. Next sentence, read. Who can read next sentence? Coming. Present participle or present continuous? Present continuous. Okay. Coming. ING. Yes. ING. Right on. Can you know? Yes. болса, қазір енді бір-біріне алып кетеміз. Мына екі жұп бір-біріне алып. Екі ары бері, не береді? Check your answer. Түсінді ма? If you have what 3 lines, which line was the color? 3 lines. 10 hearts. If you 2 lines, 8 hearts. Okay? 이게 지금 잘 보자, 보자. 싫어? 이게 잘 보자, 보자. 8 hearts. Okay. All right. Would you want to answer? Yes. Good. Thank you very much. Well, that's not bad.